Kuyugi ko mga kuya sa pagpaambit sa atong usa ka tuig nga pagpanaw, paglupad sa kapunaw-punawan sa atong napaambit nga katuyuan ngadto sa katawhan nga nanginahanglan.
I am an eagle, let me spread my wings across this wondrous land and stand for all good things.
Philippine Eagles is a historic brotherhood concord. It precisely describes the quality of the band within the organization. Brotherhood characterizes strong cohesiveness among the club members. Eagleism is inspired and anchored on four things. First is brotherhood. Second is service. Third is unity. And the fourth is divine power. They form the very foundation that gives strength and dynamism to Eagleism. The Philippine Eagles shall seek and provide humanitarian service, usefulness, and destiny in the Philippines, as well as in other countries, geared to benefit primarily the needy. They are strongly committed to render personal service for the betterment of the community. Every eagle shall sacrifice and do battle to achieve their goals.
The charter club presidents, charter club officers, and members of the four mentioned clubs. By this charter grants, which has been just declare your clubs formally affiliated to the Fraternal Order of Eagles, the Philippine Eagles. So ordered.
We cannot do it alone without the support, the handed support, commitment, service, loyalty to our member. And I know for a fact, with these new challenges and with great honors comes our great responsibility to this club. I encourage everyone to please tabangi ninyo mga kuyas.
Kamong mga bagong agila, suportahin ninyo ang inyong clubs. Suportahin ninyo ang inyong region. Hinaut punta nga kini nga itong nasugdan karong gabi una. Mahangtod ni. Hinaut punta nga kamo mag-aauhag kyapon mo sa tumong og tinguha nga atong kimugna para sa Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles. Mabuhay ang agila! Mabuhay ang tinuod nga agila.
Raise your right hand. Repeat after me. I, Higdalin, having been duly elected to the position of the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles, subscribing to its Eagle Magna Carta, and believing in its capabilities as a self-reliant, fraternal Philippine civic organization, do hereby solemnly make oath. I shall defend moral code, ethics, as the and with my fellow Eagles.
Joseph Versaga, the founder and chartered club president of the 4th United Eagles Club, chartered on October 5, 2021. After the club achieved its official charter, he was elected as the leader, signifying the membership's trust in him to steer the established organization forward. Kuya Glenn Docante. Kuya Glenn was the club president of the Eagle Year 2023. He was the second club president, a leader who faced difficult circumstances, but he was able to handle them with care and commitment to the club and its members. Kuya Colonel Edgar Mangabay. He is the current club president of the Eagle Year 2024-2025. Kuya Edgar served as the third club president of the 4th United Eagles Club. He was an excellent and highly respected leader who made a positive impact on the members. A humble, compassionate, and guiding leader is truly valuable. He is indeed the man of equality.
Live or die, I'll see you up where eagles fly. I am an eagle, soaring brave and bold. Commitment to the things we do with heart and soul, to make this world a better place to be. And when the storms of life are raging, let me help mankind to see I am an eagle, doing all I can to ease the pain, to lessen ills, to lend a hand. Lord, let me live my life to give. Let me show the world I care. Oh, my friends, I'll see you there where eagles fly.
Kay daghan na rin. So, muna ni mga scholar na to, mga kuya. Nga pa daw na ni nga to for interview sa ato ang Aguila Hills. Okay na na? Narga na ta?
People helping people, this is who we are. People helping people, reaching for the stars where eagles fly, for liberty, truth and justice, equality.
Imong testimonya nga pambit sa mga kabataan
para kuha na sila para maka okay pinakakuha na ng maka huna-huna
challenge.
Ma-challenge sila nga makaibodaan sila nga dili lalim mo mahimong working student, pero kung naa kay paningkamot na kay intention sa imong ugma, maningkamot ka unya
makabot.
When the storms of life are raging, let me help mankind to see.
So nata karon sa Tabunan Integrated School para pagpanghatag og mga school supply para sa mga kabataan nga atong mga scholar nga 12 nila kabuo kinubanan sa among abti kayo na mo nga club president o Vice Governor sa Central Visayas Region 4, Kuya El Mangabay, nabanan sa mga opisyalis sa club o sa atong mga aspirant nga mao'y kuhan sa ilang project karon paghatag og mga school supply sa maong tangha.
Hindi na wala tayong pakialam sa atong ipon sa school. At tuloy na natin matabang po din sa school is, of course, mag-participate po sa all activities sa school and be a model sa lahat ng marandang community standard. And now we will distribute initial support of the club through our mga aspirants. So sila yun ang nag-provide namin. Then, mga may-lista ko, bigyan ko siguro mag-lista sa shirt and katong pants and ano to? T-shirt. O pati ba babae, naka-rubber shirt po? Ma'am, rubber shirt po na mga female. Sabi nila na may mga ngalan, so within the week, i-deliver itong other requirements. Then, nag-create GC sa parents, dito na dapat po sa mga bata. Para i-prepare na mo yung mga requirements, i-punta na sa GC. For the meantime, wala pa GC sa mga estudyante, pero sa mga guardians na lang. Kung na yung GC, i-prepare na yung requirements, na-post na para makapalunin na lang. So, the requirements.
Jai sa Corvo.
Cum laude. Ato bang?
Ito ka lang agad. Rita.
Ato bang dire Inday? Ato bang Inday? Ato bang?
Selmi Son.
Okay.
Miss Adeline Tabag.
Dagha kay tubig sila eh.
Brother Mabini. Ano sir?
Apolinario.
Mabini.
Apo Nenario. Apo Nenario.
Oh, my friends, I'll see you there where eagles fly for liberty, where eagles fly for liberty. To ease the pain, to lessen ills, to lend a hand. Lord, let me live my life to give. Let me show the world I care. Oh, my friends, I'll see you there to ease the pain, to lessen ills, to lend a hand. Lord, let me live my life to give. Let me show the world I care. Oh, my friends, I'll see you there to ease the pain, to lessen, to ease the pain, to
I'm
lessen.
Julia Minerva, with 11 Burnett. Thank you din yung support ko. I promise na
Ay galing mo ta.
I'm Rachel Mason and I am grade 11 Burnett and grateful kay nga napilian mi ani nga scholarship and thankful pud kay mi ani and I promise po na kanang mag-win sa mga patakaran. Everyone, my name is Adeline Tabay. I'm 16 years old. I'm grade 11 Burnett and thankful kay ninyo nga na napilian nga scholarship. I promise na maka-wal ko sa grade nga inyong ihatan din. I try my best.
Galing ba? Okay.
Snappy, sir. Ah.
Sige, kara. Bagsik ni. Bagsik ni.
Volume ha.
Oh. Kara. Permintihan na hay. Sayo ba ka gani ah?
Thank you for this opportunity.
Sila.
And I try my best to 55
Matay kita ito ha.
Oy, di lang kay kanaoy. Napoy daghan. Ha. Oh, parihan ini. Takdan man. Gaga na sila. Ay, kawang. Ah, dili. Ayaw tong iro. Ayaw nang iro. Dili. Sige, sige.
My name is Janice Isay. Salamat po sa promise niya. Natuman ko na po. Sabi na po. Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
I'm a girl nga pala. And then, salamat sa iyong pag-support. And then, ihatag ko na pang gusto niyang grade na gusto niyo ma-appreciate ko grade na.
Terus ga Inday.
Ako pala si Joanne Corpo. I-promise na po nga gawin ako ang sana na ako kaya para maabot ang grade na ito tinatag.
Mutuman sa mga
Mutungan sa karing balaod na inyong
Rest assured, sa inyong journey, the Continental Eagles Club, the Fraternal Order of Eagles, the Philippine Eagles will be continuously supporting you until attain na ito ang objective, which is atod mo makatrabaho. This is a very ambitious endeavor, but with your help first, dili ni makakuan sa club kung dili mo mo tabang sa inyong kaugalingan. Walay-lain mo tabang sa inyong kaugalingan kung dili ka matabang. And kami na-adri audience o provide lang ni sa mga necessary requirements kung gano'n provided po na you abide doon sa memorandum of understanding sa atong kasabutan sa mga requirements. We have to behave well sa community, sa school, and we should abide sa rules and regulations. We must be a law-abiding students para na ang requirement po. Then maintain lang po yung requirement ng grade para couple purpose na. Dili lang para sa club ba, individually magkakit ko lang. Makatabang po na sa hindi use your program sa money. So, thank you sa parents po.
Thank you, the Fourth United Eagles Club. Mabuhay ang Agila!
I am an eagle. Let me spread my wings. across this wondrous land and stand for all good things, for strength and hope, integrity. Oh, let our hearts beat proud and free. Take my hand and come with me where eagles fly for liberty, truth and justice, equality, for God and home we live or die. I'll see you up where eagles fly. I am an eagle, soaring brave and bold. Commitment to the things we do with heart and soul, to make this world a better place to be. And when the storms of life are raging, let me help mankind to see I am an eagle, doing all I can to ease the pain, to lessen ills, to lend a hand. Lord, let me live my life to give. Let me Lord, let me
Isugat ug mga tamis nga pahiyom sa mga tinunan sa Tabunan Integrated School ning Dakbayan sa Subo ang pag-abot sa mga pribadong grupo, kasundaluhan ug Coast Guard sa ilang dapit. Gisuklian ug pasalamat sa mga tinunan ang giapod-apod nga mga school supplies. Nasudlan usab ang tiyan pinaagi sa feeding program ug nakapahimo sa libreng tupig. Gawas sa mga tinunan, nakapahimos usab ang mga ginikanan sa libreng medical mission. Moabot sa 150 ka mga tinunan sa naasungtunhaan ang nakabenepisyo sa maong kalihukan. Inisyatibo kani sa 21st Squadron Philippine Coast Guard Auxiliary, Philippine Army, RESCOM, Cebu Illustre Eagles Club ug the 4th United Eagles Club. Agig pasalamat kini sa grupo sa pagsaulog sa ilang 42nd RESCOM founding anniversary.
Tanan mga higala labi na to mga kuya sa United Eagles Club, Sitio Lubi, Garing Konsolasyon, karo maabot mga higalang Sabado.
Unload, show me clear.
I am an eagle, let me spread my wings across this wondrous land and stand for all good things, for strength and hope, integrity. Oh, let our hearts beat proud and free. Take my hand and come with me where eagles fly for liberty, truth and justice, equality, for God and home we live or die.
Atlak, our first shoot for a cause. Then also to thank all the sponsors, labi na sa mga kuya, nag-sponsor. Itong mga sponsors. Muna yung mga sponsor na ito kaya. Ito sa for sponsors, we will successful sa atong first shoot for Agos. Kung dili sa mga sponsors, medyo, I believe, medyo mag-bisuta. Considering the number of shooters and so, muna yung itong sponsors. Niken Tools and electrical supplies ni Kuya Witty. Thank you Kuya Witty. Sun and Care Hardware Trading ni Kuya Alexter. Sun and Care Hardware Trading ni Kuya Norman. Golden GKS Trading ni Kuya Jungki. Sorry, Alpha Hardware?
Alpha Hardware.
Alpha Hardware ni Kuya Fernan. Tulsi Enterprise ni Kuya Joseph.
Nagpansoy.
And Kuya Ansel Bilangil, Kuya Gary? Big Cebu, Ansel? Fire?
Fire Pip.
Fire Pip Cebu, ni Kuya Jonathan.
Yes!
Divine Pharmacy and Maria Pharmacy ni Kuya Pedi. Then sa CDG po, napot yung share naman. Then kay Sir Ray Gerardo. Sa top 1 ni Kuya John Barbote. Then kay Kuya Engineer Siren Priolo. Kay Sir Marty. DBS Marty. Ni Kuya Ronan Agudo. Plus kay Kuya Saril Nieves. Sir Jolito Ubao. And GPL Balbok. Ni Kuya Lloyd. So, kay Kuya Lloyd, kay Ate, thank you kayo for preparing the foods. Mula itong ikaw ganina sa atong Bodor Fight. Again, salamat. Then of course, tanang participants, sa tanang ko yung nag-participate despite na nag-sponsor na, nagbayad pa yun. Brado, continue. The intention is, since na medyo ato na sudan, then medyo gwapo ang dagan, I believe this is also one way of bonding moments sa tanang mga kuya. I believe everybody enjoyed nga dili karon labi na itong wala pa first time nakagulit po si mga first time dili mo kaya sa Radio Reserve Battalion sa Sigaw First. So ang ato activity is that this activity will bind us more together as a club. So at the same time the proceeds of this shoot for a cause is para sa itong mga pag-its. So, since the Lopandagan, we committed our
I am an eagle, let me spread my wings across this wondrous land and stand for all good things, for strength and hope, integrity. Oh, let our hearts beat proud and free. Take my hand and come with me where eagles fly for liberty, truth and justice, equality, for God and home. Fly. I am an eagle, soaring brave and bold. Commitment to the things we do with heart and soul, to make this world a better place to be.